Optimizing lead pages for SEO is crucial if you want your landing pages to rank well on search engines and convert visitors into leads. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do that, and by the end, I'll share an exclusive offer for an extended free trial of LeadPages, along with some alternatives that might be a better fit for your goals. Stick around to see which ones and how they compare. First up, start with your page title. It's essential to include relevant keywords here. Your page title is one of the first things search engines look at, so make sure it's clear and includes the exact search terms you're targeting. For example, if you're targeting SEO tips for small businesses, your title should directly reflect that. Make sure it's catchy but concise. Google typically shows about 60 characters in search results, so don't go overboard. Next thing, focus on your meta descriptions. Even though meta descriptions don't directly affect rankings, they're what shows up below your page title in search results. A well-crafted meta description can make a huge difference in click-through rates. So make sure it's enticing, includes relevant keywords, and is around 150 to 160 characters. You can easily edit this in LeadPages settings. The third thing to consider is your URL structure. Keep it short and meaningful. LeadPages allows you to customize your URLs, so don't just use the default. If you're optimizing for specific keywords, like SEO strategies for landing pages, make sure your URL includes that. For instance, something like /SEO landing pages would be perfect. This helps search engines and users understand the content of the page at a glance. Now, let's talk about content. You can't ignore your page's content if you want to rank for SEO. Use your target keywords naturally throughout the page. But don't just stuff keywords. Make sure your content is valuable and engaging. If you're offering something like an SEO guide, make sure it's helpful, informative, and answers common questions people might have. Next, image optimization is key. Images can slow down your page if they're not optimized properly. You should compress images without losing quality and always include alt text. Alt text is another opportunity to include relevant keywords, which helps with both accessibility and SEO. Then, let's discuss internal linking. Linking to other pages on your site or blog posts not only helps with navigation, but also boosts SEO by spreading link equity across your site. So make sure you link to related content within your landing page. For example, if your page is about SEO services, link to case studies or your blog that goes deeper into SEO strategies. The next thing you want to do is speed optimization. Page speed is a ranking factor for SEO. LeadPages pages are typically fast, but you can still do things like reducing image sizes and removing unnecessary elements to improve load time. The faster your page loads, the better your user experience, and that's a big win for both SEO and conversions. The fourth thing you should consider is mobile responsiveness. Google prioritizes mobile-first indexing, so it's critical that your LeadPages landing page looks great and functions well on mobile devices. Fortunately, LeadPages is already mobile responsive, but double-check your page to make sure everything works properly. Next, let's talk about schema markup. Adding schema markup helps search engines understand your content better and can improve your visibility in search results. While LeadPages doesn't natively support schema, you can add custom code to your page. If you're unfamiliar with how to do this, there are plugins and tools that can generate schema for you. Finally, you need to track your SEO performance. Using tools like Google Analytics or Google Search Console will allow you to measure the impact of your SEO efforts and make necessary adjustments. It's also a great way to see which keywords are driving traffic to your page, so you can optimize further. Now, while LeadPages does a good job of offering a lot of these features, if you're really focused on robust SEO and looking for more flexibility, there are alternatives that might serve your needs better. For example, tools like WordPress combined with an SEO plugin like Yoast, or even platforms like Unbounce, offer deeper customization for SEO and more control over elements like schema markup and advanced analytics. And here's the thing, while LeadPages can certainly be effective for landing pages, it's not necessarily the best when it comes to fully optimizing your site for SEO. So I'd recommend trying out some of those alternatives. But before you go, I've got a special offer. Through the link in the description, you'll get an extended free trial to LeadPages with exclusive benefits for our viewers. And as I mentioned, I've also listed a few other software options that could serve you better in achieving your SEO goals. So check them out, test them out with their free trials, and see which one works best for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to check out the links in the description for those exclusive trials.